Welcome back, YouTube subscriber. Glad you're still with us. Today, we're going to be talking about 6-1. We're starting an 8-column worksheet. We will be doing the trial balance columns of an 8-column worksheet today. This is an 8-column worksheet. You can tell it's an 8-column worksheet because it has 8 columns. That's pretty neat. How neat is that? So, on the 8-column worksheet, first we have to do the heading, which is the 3-line heading, and then we'll do the trial balance column, which is all of the accounts added up to make sure that they equal. So to start, we have a 3-line heading. We're doing this for a company called Golden Tan, and we're on February 22nd. So the first line of any 3-line heading is always the name of the business. So we have Golden Tan. Would have been nice if Golden Tate could have caught a touchdown yesterday. Go Lions. The second line of any 3-line heading is the name of the financial document. The name of this financial document is an 8-column worksheet. We're just going to call it Worksheet. So if you're working your real job as a real corporate accountant and the boss is like, hey, do you have the worksheet? And they're like, what is this, high school? I don't want a worksheet. They'll probably say, like, no, the 8-column worksheet, you idiot. You're fired. And then the third line is when you're doing it, we are doing the February worksheet. So it's for the month ended Feb 28, 2018. So the reason you write for the month ended means we are including all of the information from February 1st to February 28th. If you just dated something February 28th, you might think, oh, that's just stuff from February 28th. That would be incorrect. This is all of the information from February 1st to February 28th. Now, all we have to do is list our accounts and their debit and credit parts. So, first account is cash. It has a $9,800 debit balance. The next account is petty cash. It has a $150 balance. If you notice, it's going to be mostly assets first, kind of going in order on your chart of accounts. All the assets go first. Next one, we have an ACREC, Ruby Prince. Just going to do RP, and they owe us $27.95, $2,795. Up next, we have supplies. These are things for our company that are good, that we own. We have $456 worth of supplies. Not yet. November 13th, supplies parting for myself. Next one is prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. The balance is $750. Now I'm going to bring in the old instruction book here. So far we have done the assets. Now we have an account payable, so it has a credit balance. You should know that anyway, but I just wanted to show you. So the very next one, we don't skip a line or anything. You just write Act Pay, and this is for Richard Navarro. I'm going to do RN, registered nurse, and they owe us $555. That is our only account payable. That's a nice spot to be in as a business. That's our only account payable. Our next one is Gary Baldwin Capital. So we're getting into owner equity. If you remember back from chapter 1, capital is part of owner equity. Capital increases on the credit side. It has a normal credit balance. So 14,885. The next owner equity account is Gary Baldwin Drawing. Drawing is how much money you have taken out of the account of your business for personal use. Drawing works opposite of capital because you're taking out of the value of your business. So drawing has a debit balance and it's $3,400. So we're organizing all of our accounts. The next account is called income summary. Just write that there. And it does not have a balance yet. Income summary is a temporary placeholder. We use it at the end of a month to do some things, but for right now, it has no balance. Next one we have is sales. Sales has a normal credit side balance. The sales amount is $4,320, $4,320. And then the next 5 are all expenses. Alphabetically, they are advertising, insurance, miscellaneous supplies, and utilities. So the first one is advertising. It has a 931 debit balance. Next is insurance. Insurance expense currently has a 0 balance. So you just leave it blank. And we'll figure out why this is blank tomorrow. Or right now, if you watch tomorrow's video right now, because you're watching this 2 days ahead. So you can jump right to right now, but not right now. What? Next one, miscellaneous expense. $378 on the debit side. That's a 7. Burns. Now you're YouTube famous for asking dumb questions. Oh, YouTube burn. The next one is supplies expense. It does not have a balance. It's a big supplies. And the last one is utilities expense. It has an $1,100 balance. And that's it for accounts. So you have taken all of your general ledger accounts and listed their balances, and now you're going to do the trial balance, which is see if all of your debits equal all of your credits. So you do a single rule, that's what they call this, a single rule right underneath the last line. I'm going to try to make mine a little darker so you can see it. So it's one single line, and then you add up all your debits and you add up all your credits. So, because I believe in equality, if you're under 33 years old, go ahead and add the debit side. If you're over, go ahead and add the credit side. Okay, I'm ready. We are still live. I should pause it. All right, I'm going to pause it while my class adds up all these debits. Pause. Unpause. Whoosh. All right, I added up the credits and I got $19,760. And then a student added them up and got, Colin. Nice. 19,760. So what we've done is a trial balance where we're trying to see if all of our accounts balance. They do. So to finish it up, you do a double rule underneath, and then you put that bad lad away, and you are done. If for some reason your numbers didn't balance, it's because you have made a mistake in the ledgers and possibly the journal, and you got to go back and figure it out. And you're not going to be an accountant. So tune in tomorrow where we go through the adjustments column, then the income statement and balance sheet. This is Accounting Man signing off, and and you can count on that.